Wait, I want the rice like go here, so. Hold on, the glass in a rice, so the glass now go shatter. I want the blood. Alright, let me see you do it. Alright. Hope you wash the chicken now. Put some oil on it. Season it down now. No problem. Good. Rub in the seasoning. Make it stay and marinate. Cool, 30 minutes time. Go back feed. Them come up with some creative things. So, Taras, why you never just put it in a pan? Why you have to do a... You wash the rice? What's the point of this? What that? Beans? Green beans? With milk? At least could I just cook the rice first? Is that orange juice? Oh, the rascal. Fuckery this. No. 40 minutes for 1 8. Me not. Wanna have too much time pan on the hands. What you gonna make now? Some type of vegetable? You have a little bit of. Me don't know about that. Be honest with you. You could have just put it in a pan, cook the thing normal, but you want to go do some creative fuckery. Alright. Got it, this one thing. But and it just seemed like the person know what them are doing, you know. It seemed like them know what them are doing. Alright, what that? Honey? Wow, alright, season this up. That. What that? Some type of sauce you make? Squeeze the orange in it. Yes, sir. Alright. That, I don't know what that, you know. That look eatable, though. Look like something I can eat. Yes, sir. Alright, cool. Mix that around. Alright, that me can't eat. Yeah. That look like something where eatable. Yes, sir. Let me know in the comments in the thought about this. Rasla. Minus the chicken and the rice. I will take the vegetables. Rasla. Awesome. Alright.